seagrass aquatic plant. Widgeon grass. Although Widgeon grass is not a true seagrass, it grows in both fresh and brackish aquatic environments. It is widely distributed worldwide and temperate and subtropical regions. In North America, Widgeon grass is found along the Atlantic coast from Newfoundland south to Texas. The blades are wider at the base of the stem, arising alternately from the sheath and tapering two long pointed tips. This grass is often confused with shoal grass in low salinity locations, forming extensive meadows in subtidal areas with exposure to intense sun. Widgeon grass is able to tolerate some desiccation. Since it does not occur in full-strength seawater, it is not considered a true seagrass. However, the Widgeon grass does provide food and refuge for a variety of organisms, similar to the function of true seagrass. Seagrass. Seagrass is found in shallow water. So we can commonly see this aquatic plant in pond, lakes, river, and stream. Muna makita na siya sa Atlantic coast o sa west side of the country.
The purpose of Widgeon grass is for naturally occurring events such as hurricane can wipe out the grass plant, and the deluge of the fresh water often follow can kill off most other species of seagrass. Should we have a significant drought or either side of major storm, massive swaths of grass meadows can be wiped out, sometimes permanently. This is the widespread species present throughout Arctic, temperate and tropical region. It can grow as shallow as below water and can also be found in shallow mains in bay, marshes as well as shallow roadside beaches.
Where does it grow? Widgeon grass can be found along the Gulf Coast. The pros and cons of Widgeon grass. Widgeon grass is a very important wildlife plant with stem and leaves being heavily utilized by many duck species. Submerged portion of all aquatic plants provide habitats for many macro and micro invertebrates. These invertebrates in turn are used as food by fish and other wildlife species. Example, amphibians or coral ducks. After aquatic plants die, their decomposition by bacteria and fungi provides called detritus for many aquatic invertebrates. This Widgeon grass is a good source of food by waterfalls. Waterfalls is, for example, ducks, geese, or many large aquatic birds. It is a primary source of energy from a food chain in which the microbes such as protozoans, bacteria, and fungi help in breaking down the complex organic matter. Detritus food chains hence help in soil replenishment by adding nutrients to the soil. Widgeon grass is also known as ditch grass because it sometimes grows in ditches alongside and farm fields. Widgeon grass is found in shallow water. As what I've said, it can grow in Atlantic coast, which have lakes, rivers, and streams. This grass can be most commonly found in shallow areas with sandy bottom, but can also grow in submarine sediments. It can also grow in some soft muddy sediments, like in a coastal area. Migratory waterfalls feed on Widgeon grass. Migratory waterfalls is for example, a duck, a geese, and other aquatic birds are the predator of this grass. It can be confused with Widgeon grass. It can be distinguished It can be confused with sago poundweed, slender poundweed, and corn poundweed. Widgeon grass can be distinguished by its leaves which grow alternately along branches and its seeds which grow on individual stalks. Widgeon grass have seeds. It can produce and reproduce sexually and asexually.
Reproduction and life cycle. Widgeon grass is reproduced sexually between late spring and late summer with two flowers which are enclosed in shape at the base of the leaves, emerge and grow on stalk toward the water surface. Pollen floating in the water surface fertilize the flower, which then produce seeds. It can also reproduce asexually when new stem grow also from the plant roots and rhizome systems. Widgeon grass is a close relative of the naiads and horn poundweed and share their ability to produce large number of seeds.